Look what I got in the mail yesterday. It is the spinning box. And this box is full of wonderful fiber things. I'm going to unbox this today and show you what we've got. This is the January version of the spinning box. It's the first time that I'm receiving it, so I can't wait to see what's in here. The spinning box is a company run by Mary Egbert. And if you don't know who she is, you really should. If you're a spinner or love fiber, she's the person you need to speak to. Mary is a really busy lady. She runs the spinning box. She also runs Camaj fiber, where you can purchase rovings and add-ins and drum carders and all kinds of things. She also teaches. Mary has several online courses available, and she just started one this month, which is a spinning extravaganza. She is teaching how to spin. She started with the parts of a spinning wheel and how to set it up. In addition to the course, she's also offering live interviews and demonstrations by different fiber artists, or today there happens to be one on learning how to use a drop spindle. A huge amount of information that she's providing. It is a year-long course, and the payments are monthly, so it's really affordable. You should check it out at camajfibers.com, and I will put a description down below. So let's get to it. This is the spinning box. And this month it says, "Hey beautiful." This month's theme is out of this world. So let's see what that entails. And here's what we have. The card on top says, "Don't just look at the stars, be one." And this is a January 2021 spinning box. And it's just a welcome letter. And there is a recipe for do-it-yourself linen spray. Using essential oils. So I'll take a look at that later. And the next thing we have is Sheep in Space. And this is a postcard. This is a card about Mary's book. She wrote a book about how to scour wool, mohair, and alpaca. And that's available on Amazon. I will put a link to that book below. So let's get into the really good stuff. This is called Orion Nebula, Merino and Bamboo, Custom Blend by Camaj Fiber Arts. And this is gorgeous. It is a combination of reds and oranges and teals and purples. That's going to be beautiful. Next, we have a space sticker, a bookmark, and little goodies here at the bottom. We've got a pen. We have Aftershocks popping candy and little stars. They're cute. So, also part of the goodies, this is mint-infused cellulose, a comb top, and so this is a really pretty add-in. It is sort of a light beige color, and this is soft. This is really nice. then the next package is a fiber focus. In every book, she has a focus on a different breed of sheep. And this is a borderless, and it's a British breed of sheep, long-wooled. They're shorn twice a year, and it's best spun worsted into a thick yarn, 2 to 3 twists per inch. So that looks really nice. And then there's the big pack here. Oh, another little candy. Mother of Moons. This is Paul Worth in natural yellow mulberry silk custom blend. And that is really pretty. This is going to be nice. This is a great base to use all these other fibers in. I'll probably pull out the drum carder this week. We'll card it up and then I'll show you as I'm spinning it. And this, Paul Worth, is fantastic. So this is a comb top, and it is gorgeous. It is so soft and silky. This is going to really make a beautiful yarn. And that's everything in our box this month. Very nice. I'm really pleased with it. What is good is there is enough fiber here that you can actually make a project out of. So we'll have to think about what we're going to do. I'll get the drum carder out and I'll show you what happens with that. So if you're interested in receiving this spinning box, you need to go to thespinningbox.com. Links will be in the description below. The January box did sell out, so it's important that if you want to actually get this box, you're going to need to log on and order it as soon as you can. And we'll have to see what the theme is for next month. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, hit that bell so you'll be alerted when the next video comes up. So till next time, I'll see you later.